Hello, welcome to Geekbuying. Today I present you a really unique phone. A phone that projects itself. The Blackview Max 1. I gotta say, the packaging of Max 1 is the biggest we've ever unboxed. The moment you unbox it, you will understand. A phone, a mini Bluetooth speaker, and even a stand. Of course, it's a projector phone. You don't want to hold it when you're projecting your content. Beyond all the normal accessories, it includes a headphone, an OTG cable, and a remote controller. Now, move to the phone. For sure, the biggest highlight of the phone is the projection feature. It adopts advanced MEMS micro-electromechanical technology. Whatever that is, it claims to project 3 color lasers onto the interface to form a huge clear image. From our viewing experience, we found it does differ from traditional projectors. No need to adjust the focus. The image is clear all the time. The visual data shows you can project a max of 200-inch screen size. Of course, the smaller size you project, the clearer image you get. I'm overall happy with the performance of the Max 1 for several reasons. First, it's easy to use. Just press projection app in the phone, wait for a few seconds, then place the phone to a distance you need. That's it. No need to go through all the hassles you set a normal projector. Second, it provides another solution of watching videos or movies. Just imagine you are having a small gathering with your friends and all of them are focusing on your videos. You are gonna love that feeling. Of course, if you are expecting it has a vivid effect as a normal projector where you see in a meeting room, then go somewhere else. It's just a tiny projector embedded to a phone. You just cannot expect that much light output. If you turn all lights off completely, you'll get even better results. For others about the phone, you're getting a 4680 mAh battery. That's a really big battery to date. 6 gigs RAM, plus 64 gigs of ROM and up to 128 gigs expansion. Helio P23 chipset, it actually handles games pretty smoothly. Priced at $555 on Geekbuying, we recommend this phone in 2019, not because of its unique phone with a projector, but also a perfect backup phone. Just imagine one day you are having an important meeting and the projector doesn't work. You can use your Max 1 as a second projector. This thing could save your life. And just imagine you could change the way you play games and watch movies. Don't miss it if you are planning to buy a second phone. I'll leave all the links in the description and make sure to check them out. I'm Sammy. See you next time.